Hey guys, so I'm out for a day hike with Mrs. vwnut, and we came across this sign on our way in, so I had to share it with you guys. So go ahead and pause the video and read them. They are hilarious. Alright, see you in a second. Alright, so this tree was across the trail, but then we happened to notice that this bend in the tree, that tree grew its whole life, so then when it fell, it could go around that little tree and that little tree. Like, I don't know what the odds are of that falling perfect like that, but they gotta be slim. Well, we made it to the top. The view was well worth whatever hike we had to do to get here. And it wasn't too bad. Only just a mile up and a mile back. That's what you get when you come to New Hampshire.
Silence.
Silence. Yeah, you can't hear nothing. Not a plane, not a car, not a nothing. Just furry woodland creatures and feathered woodland creatures. There's one thing I did notice about being in New Hampshire and the people of New Hampshire. There's no graffiti, no trash, not even as much as like a cigarette butt or a wrapper or a can or nothing. There's no garbage. It's just rocks. Like if it wasn't for where you could see foot traffic going through, you wouldn't even know people had been here. Patina, do all your tricks. Do them all. That's dancing. You got any more tricks? Show me the, more dancing. Show me the, high five. Good trick. What other tricks do you got? You got other ones? Oh, sitting pretty. That's a good one. What other tricks you got? What other tricks? You got one where you lay all the way down? You got that? Oh, that's dancing. You're a very good dancer. And you sit pretty, but you do sit pretty. Can you lay down? All the way down. 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 There you go. Bang! Good job. Alright, there's your dose of patina. See you in a couple days. Oh, and don't worry. The spring seat is still in the 67. I haven't made a decision yet on whether it's comfy, super comfy, or more comfy or not. It's going to take some more testing.